how to create an account. If you want to create a new EasyDoor account, start by typing easydoorcontroller.com into the search bar of your web browser. Then press Enter on your keyboard and click the Create an Account button when the new page opens. Now fill in the required details here, including your email address and a password. Then enter the unique number on one of your EasyDoor controllers at this point. You must also enter the verification code before filling in your company details. Now click OK. Then click on OK again and proceed to open up the email inbox which is associated with the new account. Open the registration email from EasyDoor and click on the link attached to verify your account. Then, once the page has loaded, close the pop-up message and enter your user details. Finally, click Log On. The home screen will appear, indicating that you have successfully created your new EasyDoor account.